Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your widgets on the new Apple CarPlay with the iOS 26. So when you update your phone to iOS 26, when you access the CarPlay, you will see that you have the new style of iOS on your CarPlay as well, with the liquid glass and with the new wallpaper. And to access your widgets, which is a new feature on the CarPlay 26, you just have to swipe to the right side of the screen instead of to the left. And here you can see several widgets which you can just flip through between them. You can see your calendar, Spotify, clock, your calendar schedule, and you can also see on this side the weather as well. So I think it's pretty cool new feature. Obviously, be careful, don't get distracted by these widgets while driving. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.